Traders. Today I will show you how to use ProTradeJournal.in. This is a journaling tool for swing and positional traders. So you can start with the upload file. So this on the dashboard page, this is the default home page. On the menu, you see a upload button. Once you click on the upload button, a model page will open, and here you need to select a broker. I will select a Zerodha as a broker and upload a file. So I am uploading a current financial year file. So you can upload files per month or per week as well. If you upload a duplicate file, it will ignore the duplicate data, so you don't have to worry about the duplicates. So uploading takes a couple of minutes. So while it's uploading, do not close this window. Let it upload all the trades. Okay, so now trades are uploaded. It shows you the summary of the trades. If there are any duplicates, you will see here. So after importing all the trades from the file, there are four open trades out of 106 trades. So I will close this window and let's go to the journal tab. Um, so this user guide video, I will start with the journal tab and will go through every tab and every functionality one by one. So once you go to journal tab, the first page you see is the open trade. The open trade page shows trades which are open. Now currently you see there are four long positions which are open. It shows you the buy date or the trade initiated date, the initial price, quantity, the amount invested, and likewise. So use of these pages to track your open risk and your cash allocation. Now, if you see, there is a stop loss value uh, on this page. I will enter a stop loss, for example, here 6950. So, if this is my initial stop loss, which shows me there is a 1000 rupees of risk on this trade. The stop losses, and it will calculate the total risk that is currently uh, open. So now, out of these, the two trades have already moved significantly. So you can move the stop loss to the break even or whatever point you want to move, and then it will remove the risk. So risk for that particular trade becomes zero. Uh, so this gives you a good sense that how much your current open risk is in order to take next trades. So it shows me there is 0.3% of current open risk, so which gives me room to take a few more trades. So that's how I use this page. Is all trades page. The all trades page shows you the open and close both the trades. Uh, you can filter them based on win position, losing position, or open trade position, or all. You can also filter by month, financial year, uh, or quarters. So, mm, and you can also search for particular trade uh, on this page. There is a one drill down button which shows how many times particular script you have traded. For example, BBox I have traded only once. Uh, let's see if Sensera I have traded multiple times. So this way you can get a sense of how the trading is going. The next on the altered page is if you click on this arrow, it will show you all the executions that you have done for particular position. It will show you all your pyramidal positions or any partial uh, profit booking done. So it gives you a comprehensive history of the position. On this page, you can select stocks which are added by mistakes and delete them one by one or at once as well. Uh, the the stop loss percentage column is editable if and you can enter a stop loss percentage here. You are not going to enter amount here. You can enter stop loss as one by one, or you can enter them at once. So to enter stop loss in mass, you have two options. One is a default the stop loss percentage to some particular value if you are following that kind of trading where stop loss percentages are always fixed, and then it will get updated on all the rows. Or there is another option which will copy your loss percentages to your closed positions. Okay, so suppose for example for this position there is a 2% loss, so clearly the mm, stop loss was 2%. So if I use this option, that particular column will get updated to 2. So for this demo purpose, I am not selecting it because it takes a quite a while, like 2 to 3 minutes to update on all the rows. I have around 212 rows which do not have any stop loss. But I would highly recommend everyone to update the stop losses on all the closed positions, because that's how your R multiples and risk to reward ratios are calculated. Okay. Next tab is the miss a trade tabs. On this tab, you can create your database of missed trades. For example, I missed the Occard trade because I was hesitant to take a trade. So this is the point where I missed the trade. It was a good pullback, but I missed it. So I entered it as my missed trade and why I hesitated and why did I miss it. So there are different reasons you can track. So once you have this kind of database built, you can run a different analytics, or you will know what kind of trades you are missing. The next page in the journal is a calendar view. The calendar view shows you open position, close position per day, and the profit per day or the loss per day, and as well as your weekly summary. Uh, the summary tag has a lot of key matrices. It shows you all the trades, winning trades and losing trades for a month. It should be in percentage. Gross and net are not populating because we have not updated all the stop losses. So all the important ratios are calculated and displayed on this page. So this shows you for the current financial year. If you want to see for previous financial year, just select that financial year and will show the data for that particular financial year. Go to the equity curve page. The equity curve page will show you uh, how your capital is growing or shrinking. On the equity curve page, you can always set the initial capital. So for this particular demo account, the initial capital was set as of 1st April 2025 as a 15 lakh rupees. It means you started trading with 15 lakh rupees. As time goes and you earn some money out of trading, the equity code should go up. If you are losing, the curve will go down. uh, you can always add money to the trading account, or you can withdraw money from a trading account, and then this chart will be adjusted accordingly. So the capital that you see here on the equity curve, the same capital you will see on the open position page. So it will help you to calculate your position sizes appropriately. So your profits are also get added to your capital, and then you calculate position size on that total capital. So uh, you keep the track of your cash and proper position sizing using the equity curve uh, capital. And the last page on this journal is upload page. So on upload page is the same functionality that we saw. You can upload a file from here. uh, Here you have a button called as the sync today's trade button. As of now, I have disabled this button, but soon I will enable this again after fixing couple of bugs. So sync trade button should be used in the weekdays to import the open position in your trading account. Okay, so it will fetch only the open position. It will not fetch any historical data. There is another way to sync it. Click on this three dot and you have a sync button uh, under actions tab as well. Okay, so this is all about the journal page and the basic functionality that you will use with the journaling. The next task of this ProTrade journal is review your historical trades. So for that purpose, for the demo purpose, I will select the month of June, and I will it will show me the trades taken in that month. So there are 24 trades for the June month, and you, on this page you will see the chart for that selected trade. It will show you the buy with a green arrow and sell with a red arrow. You have a classic view and the advanced view. The advanced view currently do not show the buy and sell things, sell arrows, but that functionality will come soon. So classic is the default view. You can review the chart here, your buy and sell positions. It shows you how much loss you or win you have gained. Uh, you can select the reason or the setup that because of which you took a trade. So for this, I will select the pullback as my setup. It looks like it was pulling back, a shallow pullback. Mistake is it was not very clear setup and looks like I just took a trade off of FOMO. And the exit reason is a stop loss hit the next day. And then I will click on the complete button. So it will save that data in the database. Okay, so the next time you open this, you don't have to enter this value again. So likewise, what I do is every month I take a monthly data and review it, and then take a printout of all of these trades. Uh, on the review page, you have actions as well, so it shows you at what time and what date you took the trade and what was the buy price, what was the quantity. If you have multiple executions, it will show all the history of executions like pyramiding and everything. So you don't have to go anywhere to review your trade. Everything is available on this page. Even the market condition, that is situational awareness, also you can uh, you can understand by looking at the 5-day ratio. So point 0.8 is very weak market. Mm, Ideally, I should not have taken trade, but the trade is there. So you can under mistakes you can select as a wrong situational awareness, though this went positive, but still this mistake is mistake. You have the situational awareness was incorrect for the trade. So what I do after reviewing all the my trades, I just select them here and click on the print button. It will generate a PDF file, and then I take a printout of this PDF file uh, and review them offline. So that way it reduces my screen time, and also when you are not looking at a screen and reviewing out of a document, um, it gives you, in my opinion, you review it better offline. So that's why this review page is built to review it, save the data, and then take a printout. And once your data is saved in the database, you can ask the AI, which is enabled on this ProTrade journal, uh, of what kind of mistake, or it will find out the pattern in your trading and kind of mistakes you are doing, or kind of setups are which you trade well. Okay, so that's why reviewing here and saving the data on the ProTrade journal is important to use the AI features from this website. Then the next tab I will move is the analysis. On the analysis tab, the first functionality is MFE and MAE analysis. So for that, I will take again a June month example because that's the data available to me. Uh, so for MFE and MA analysis, we do it on the winners mostly. So select the winners and the long trades and click on the MFA MA analysis, and it will show you, it will plot the dots that your winners will be plotted, and on the on this x-axis it shows the MAE percentage, that is how much that went against your buy price. So for example, this position which went around 1.5% against my buy price before going up. Okay, so likewise, if you do this analysis, it will show you how much stop loss you should place. You can optimize stop loss using this this kind of setup. So using this MFMA analysis. Um, Now this is my demo data. I don't have very correct data uploaded here, so I will not go deep into it. But if you click on these dots, it will show you charts, and if you want to review them or verify something. Um, Next analysis type is review with AI. Now you can ask some questions which are my top winners in June 2026. So this is fairly simple question, but this will just give you the idea what we are trying to do. Is you can ask a question based on your data, and it can be fairly complex questions like what kind of setups I should trade, or what setups are most giving me good returns, what time of the day I should giving me good returns, or what situation awareness killing my profit, or so likewise, you can ask different questions and it will answer you as per the data that you have uploaded. So very personalized answer that you can get. So for example, this is a personalized answer that I got using the AI. Now, the third analysis is the data insight. In the data insight, there are as of now only three options available. Either time of the day is selected, and number of trades. So it shows me I am taking trade early in the morning in the first 1 hour or 45 minutes, and then at in the evening after 2:45. So that's my trading window. If I check I get most of my winners when I trade early. Likewise, I can check for the day of the week. So it shows me I am taking trades on Monday and Wednesday, and looks like Wednesday I'm taking a better trades. Also, situation awareness. This is based on uh, market monitor, a stock B market monitor ratio. When it is less than 5, I'm trading very less, which is good sign. And when it is more than 2, I'm trading aggressively, which is also good sign that you are trading when the situation is good. So likewise, you can infer something from the data. Okay. You can also select as a percentage of PNL. So it shows me that when I trade, when a situation awareness, 5-day ratio is between 1.5 and greater than 2, I am taking most of my profit. But when it is less than 1.5, I am hitting the losses as well. Okay. The same way 10-day ratio also you can analyze. Uh, Under this analysis, there are a lot of features which are in pipeline and will come soon when they are ready. Something like that is the AI coach, which is under development, and it will take some time to come, but this will be a very helpful feature. Okay, so the purpose of the review and analysis is to give you the feedback from your own data. So use with that thing in your mind that you want a feedback loop from your own data, uh, and this website is just there to expedite that analysis. The next one is a market monitor. This is Stock B Market Monitor. The Pradeep Gonde sir has developed this market monitor. I have just used this concept, and it calculates every day in the evening. For example, the 31st July, so 190 stocks were 4% up and 60 were down. So the 5-day ratio for yesterday comes out to 1.58. Now it is moving into the positive territory. Okay, so for example, if you go to the say month of May, so it started quite well, four and a half, and two and a half, but then it went down in the after 11th May, and then it went down further a lot till the month end. uh, okay, so the 5-day ratio basically gives you a little bit situational awareness. Scanning feature, I'm not going to cover this today. There will be a separate video for scanning. Scanning is not intention of this website, but this is just there for working professionals who want to quickly find some stocks. Uh, the next is the charges and taxes. Now this page you don't have to do anything. This is just uses the view only. The taxes and charges are calculated when you upload the file or import the trades, or even if you enter trade manually. Um, the rates are set up per broker into the system, and um, you don't have to upload a separate tax file just to look at the charges and taxes. But I would highly encourage you to come here and check your taxes and charges every month. That number is quite eye-opening. For the folks who are using MTF, they have to come to this page and select the trades which are MTF, and then apply the MTF. Okay, so this apply MTF button will automatically calculate the MTF amount based on the buy and sell date and your broker. So every broker wise interest rates are configured, and depending upon how long you hold that trade, MTF amount is calculated. Okay, so MTF amount is also important for your net profit and loss. And at the end there is a configuration. Under configuration we have API connection. This is currently only available for Zerodha. API key and secret key you have to create by going to the developer.kite.com. Once you create this API key and secret key, you can import the open position every market day. Okay, but this is only for Zerodha, and as of now I have disabled the functionality, but it will be enabled within a week. Under configuration, you can configure strategies, mistakes, exit reason. Uh, these the values that you see are default values. You can add your own values as well, and uh, you can also delete the existing value if you don't want them. Okay, so that's all the functionality of trading journal. And last but not least is your dashboard, which shows you a very key matrices like a win rate, the profit and the net profit, and look at the charges that eat up into your profit, the total trades and which are current open trade, the risk reward ratio, the monthly PNL chart, and monthly average win loss, monthly trades. This is showing for current FY. I will go to previous FY. It will show you the previous FY data. So dashboard can be filtered based on financial year, or it can be a filter based on the month, quarter, or particular date range as you wish. Okay. There are two views for dashboard. One is the advanced view, and one is the minimalist view. So minimalist view shows very less data, but some people may prefer it to not get overwhelmed with the number of ratios you see on the screen. So this is your the minimalist view of the dashboard. Okay. Apart from that, you have this AI feature here. The one that I showed you, this is the same. You can ask the questions to the AI here. There is a WhatsApp icon where you can click and ask for the support. The privacy mode can be enabled in just in case when you are showing a journal to someone and you don't want to reveal the amounts, or you want to share the data on the Twitter. Uh, so if I click here and click on the post Twitter, it will copy this dashboard and post on the X. So you can post the image on our Twitter. Um, and there is a dark and light mode available. This upgrade button will take you to the upgrade page where you can opt for the premium plan. It can be a 6 month plan or yearly plan. So this is all about the portrait journal. If you still have some more questions, you can always click on the WhatsApp support button or ping me on Twitter as well. Uh, Thank you very much.